We're in the Denali today. We're gonna get this thing leveled. Right on time or what? What is up, guys? I'm here with Armando, and today we're gonna be installing this Kryptonite leveling kit on this 2021 GMC Sierra 2500 Denali. Basically, this Kryptonite leveling kit consists of the upper control arms from Kryptonite, keys. We opt to go with the Fox 2.0 setup. So we got the Fox 2.0 shocks, and we have the Kryptonite upper control arms and the keys. It is the next day. Truck got new tires, so I'm about to show you guys what the 35s look like with the leveling kit. However, one thing I did notice is the tire pressure is a little bit weird to me. The left side is at 69 to 70 psi, and the right side's at 60 to 61 psi. So like, why is there more air on this side than this side? And to me, it feels like the truck is pulling this way, maybe because of the lower tire pressure. But we might have to take it back to Tires Plus, have them do a realignment, because the steering wheel is a little bit off too. I don't know if that has anything to do with the lower pressure, but we're gonna have to take it back. But right now, headed to Trap Window Tint in Augusta. We're gonna get this truck tinted and get the front covered with PPF film. PPF is basically a small film, clear film. It's like Harbor that'll protect your bumper, your vehicle. So that's what we're gonna do, because this front end is massive. And one of the first things you should be doing when you buy a vehicle is doing the fishbowl delete mod. And I absolutely hate driving this right now with no tint, because everyone can look at me and stare at me, and I hate it. No means no.
You know, I don't think, even if it no, it no means no.
Which vehicle is this for? Getting that final touch.
Yeah, you sure can get the snapshots from my butt. What I'm doing here is pretty much making sure all the edges are laying down like they're supposed to be. Is
If you leave here, take off, and you get a little bit of sand under it, we gotta pick it back up a good bit, and then clean it out, lay it back down. When, I mean, all really you're doing is just going over the edges. Straight water lays the edges great.
Straight water?
Straight water.
No gay water?
No gay.
Oh, okay.
It's 2021, man.
Well, good to know at Trap Window Tint, y'all don't discriminate.
No, we don't discriminate. Black, white, gay, straight. As long as you got windows or a front bumper,
Right.
we can tint your windows and we can PPF your bumper.
So we just got done. We picked it up from the tint shop, which they did the PPF. But you can't even tell. If you didn't know that this truck had PPF, you couldn't even see it. The cool thing about it is it's got a 10-year warranty, which covers the PPF from yellowing, peeling, and everything. Only thing it doesn't protect is like damage. So let's say a brick went through the bumper and tore your PPF, it doesn't cover it. And if you're wondering why I use the brick as an example, is because, well, it's actually happened. Some lady wanted her PPF warranted because a brick hit her bumper and tore the bumper apart. Yeah, it looks really good. And we got window tint. This is ceramic tint. It's the XR Plus, which blocks out 98% of the heat. Front tinted to match the back, and got that little strip, which in my opinion is much needed. Oh yeah, it is so quiet. In a way, it's kind of nice, but kind of not. We have Mr. Cam with the Ram right here.
Oh yeah, wait, hold on. Let me plug the merch.
Heck yeah,
Get you a
JW
hat, get you a
Motorsports.
shirt, all that good stuff.
Like, comment, and subscribe. You buy some merch.
That's right. You can get entered to win whatever we're giving away at the time. Right now, we're giving away tie rods. By the time this video goes out, it could be some control arms or whatever it would be. But, whoa. Heck yeah, Cam Brown. Anyway, Cam, we gotta go to the post office right now because I have a package to drop off, as well as Cam. He's been killing it with the grill lights that he's selling for Rams. So how many grill lights have you sold?
Right now, 35 sets.
Heck yeah.
34, 35. Definitely taking off. I didn't expect it to.
Yeah,
the only problem is everybody's buying them from Canada. So, I mean, I don't mind selling them to Canada, but they're shipping is $27.
and they're willing to pay for it.
And they're willing to pay for it, but it's definitely neat to see something that I built. It's going on all these people's trucks.
Yeah, so if you guys, I don't know if you can see it, to be honest, from here. You see those little dots in front of his truck? Those are the grill lights that Cam actually came up and designed.
Actually,
They work really well.
I can open the box and show
Nah,
them.
don't do that. I'll just plug some pictures and videos and whatnot.
Oh yeah, I got plenty of pictures and videos.
Yeah, but he's been selling a lot. I don't know how many of you guys actually own a Ram.
No.
But
or if anything, a Rebel.
Yeah.
I mean, I'm actually working on a 2019 to 2020 Rebel set. So if y'all have anybody with that, let me know. I'm working on a set, so the first person who can come up with that or has one in Augusta somewhere, I'll hook them up. But I'm trying to make a set for those new ones too.
Also, we have a winner for the CTS3 giveaway, so huge shout out to Leo for winning the CTS3. I believe I went back and looked at the order, and looks like you ordered a hat. Leo won a CTS3 by just purchasing a hat, which is freaking awesome. So huge shout out to you. He does have a dually, and I think it's gonna come in really handy for that dually. But head over to jwmotorsportsco.com. We are doing giveaways pretty frequently, and the month of January we're doing a lot of kryptonite parts. And the reason why I'm doing that is because I want to give away parts that you guys can use, such as tie rods, kryptonite control arms, maybe the steering components, just because it's just one of those things that everybody could use, but not everybody possibly wants to spend the money for. So that's what we're doing this month, and next month we'll probably do something different, but keep on the lookout. Remember, every $10 you spend will get you 10 entries. A key tag like this, and it'll get you 10 entries. All right, now that I looked at the PPF that was applied on the white Denali, it got me thinking. It got me looking at my truck, how the PPF was applied on my AT4. So if we look, You can see whoever applied it did a pretty good job, but I've noticed that the PPF is really only on the bumper. I thought it would be on the plastic piece here surrounding the headlights, and I thought it would be on the grille as well as the hood, but got me looking and I realized my hood does not have PPF applied to it, and also the side, this panel right here, does not have any kind of PPF. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go back to trap, and we are going to, actually this side does have PPF. So this side does have the PPF applied. However, I want to protect a little bit of this, and I want to protect a little bit of the hood as well, because on my LML I've had a lot of rock chips on my hood, so I want to prevent that on this truck. So unless they did a really good job and I can't see it, I'm pretty sure I don't have it. Yeah, because it would have either stopped here or it would have stopped here, and I just don't see anything applied on the hood. So we're gonna go ahead and get the PPF done here, just like the white Denali, and we're gonna get it on this bezel too. And the next thing is we're gonna get the PPF applied pretty much all the way across like this, because once I go with 14 wides, my plan right now is to keep this suspension for a while and go with 14 wide, so it'll have like that bulldog look, just like the LOI. And then before SEMA, if we decide to take this truck to SEMA, we'll probably do a 12-inch lift and do some 40s on here. So yeah, my Denali had decent rock chips. It wasn't too bad, but this with this being a brand new truck, I just don't really want any rock chips. Although I got a nasty one right here, and I think that's about it. I might have another one on the other side, but it's not too bad. And this is from, you know, running 12 wides. So imagine what this would look like if I had 14 wides. So we're gonna go ahead and get this covered. And another thing is, when I go back to trap, I have to get all my windows re-tinted, because Jared at trap, he was finding out for me if my window tint was ceramic, which they're not, because I can actually feel the heat coming through the tint. And he was telling me the quality of this film is really thin, and for me, having a black truck in Georgia, I need good ceramic tint. So we're gonna peel this off, and there's some blemishes and stuff, like on the other side there's some nicks and there's some bubbles, and right here they didn't get all the glue off. He said that it was most likely reapplied. They didn't get the glue off the first time, so you can see all the residue and stuff. Like, he pointed out a lot of stuff that I never would have noticed, which is really cool. So whenever I get my truck re-tinted, I'll have him go over all that for you guys, and we'll do like a tint video. So that is it for this video. Let me know in the comments below what you guys thought of the whole PPF process and the idea of PPF. I am just now finding out about it, and I feel like from now on, basically every vehicle that I get is gonna get PPF put on. The amount of protection it provides, for the money, it's totally worth it. If you guys are from Augusta area, if you're anywhere in South Carolina or Georgia, make sure to give the guys at Trap a call. I'll put their information right here, and make sure to get an appointment and get your PPF done with them. But if you made it this far, make sure to drop a comment and like, and hit that subscribe button for more future Duramax content. But I'll see you guys next time. Peace.